Now class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject is GSC and date 3/11/2020 and we have to revise lesson 7 digestion of food. Lesson 7 digestion of food. Digestion of food. A revision. Digestion of food. We have studied about the process of digestion. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Now we have to study to help the proper digestion, to help the digestive system function properly. Number 1, drink a lot of water. It helps in eliminating waste from the body. Chew the food properly. Third, eat green vegetables, salads and fruits. Eat 4 to 5 small meals daily. And next, wash your hand properly before and after eating the food. Next, limit intake of junk food. Junk food causes the obesity, so we can take the junk food in a very limited amount. Have home cooked and a balanced diet. It is better to take the home cooked food. Now, what have you learned in this lesson? What have you learned? Number 1, digestion is the process by which food is broken down into a simple form that can be absorbed easily by the body. Now next, digestion takes place step by step in different organs of the digestive system. Digestive juices from mouth, stomach, liver, pancreas and small intestine help digest food. So you have learned in this lesson to more to know. More to know. More to know. Number 1, in the mouth about 1.5 liters of saliva is produced each day. In the mouth about 1.5 liter of saliva is produced each day. Next, saliva can be produced even if you do not have any food in your mouth. Saliva is not produced only in presence of the food in your mouth, but it may be produced in the absence of the food in your mouth also. So saliva can be produced even if you do not have any food in your mouth. Just think of eating some delicious food. The saliva begins to form. When you just remember one image about delicious food, delicious sweets, delicious dishes, then saliva is produced in our the buccal cavity, in the mouth. In human mouth, food is either cooled or warmed to a more suitable temperature. In the mouth, food is either cooled or warmed to a more suitable temperature. When we are eating the food, the temperature of the food gets changed according to our the body temperature in our the mouth. So in mouth, food is either cooled or warmed to a more suitable temperature. If we are taking very hot food, then in our buccal cavity its temperature is reduced. So we should not take either very hot food or neither we should take neither very hot food or very cold food. The small intestine is the longest part of the digestive system. Name is given as the small intestine, but it is not true. It is the longest part of our the intestine, longest part of the digestive system. It is about 6 meters long. A small intestine is about 6 meters long. Food stay in your stomach for 2 to 3 hours. So food stays in your stomach for 2 to 3 hours. Now we can see some questions from the worksheet 7. Now see worksheet 7. Worksheet 7. Then see some questions. A. Tick the right answer. A. Tick the right answer. Tick the right answer. So first, food passes from mouth to stomach through. 3 options are there. One listen question once again. Food passes from mouth to stomach through. 3 options are there. One is intestine, second food pipe, and third one is the liver. So here, food pipe is correct option. So first, to write a food pipe, first now second, saliva is present in the 3 options are there. Saliva is present in the 3 options are there. Mouth, liver, and the pancreas. So saliva is present in mouth. So second, you have to write about the mouth. Second, mouth. And third, digestive process begins in the 3 options are there. Digestive process begins in the stomach, liver, and the mouth. 3 options are there. Stomach, liver, and the mouth. So digestion of food start from the stomach, because you know that in mouth have salivary gland. Salivary gland contain the release the saliva. Saliva contain the digestive enzyme. So digestion of food begins from the mouth. So third, mouth. Third will also be mouth. And fourth, we can say fourth answer. From the stomach, food passes into the. From the stomach, food passes into the. Three options are there: liver, small intestine, and large intestine. So, small intestine is correct option. Food from the stomach. Food from the stomach passes into the small intestine. So fourth, small intestine. Fourth is small intestine. Now fifth, undigested part of the food is thrown away out of the body through. Undigested part of the food is thrown out of the body through. Three options are there: anus, mouth, and the intestine. So here anus is the correct option. Anus. Fifth, now next, true and false. Next one is B. True and false. Right. T for the true and F for the false. So first, the process of digestion begins in the stomach. The process of digestion begins in the stomach. No, it is incorrect. It begins in the mouth. So first is false. Second, the stomach is a sac-like organ. The stomach is sac-like organ. It is correct. So it is true. Now third, while eating, we should swallow the food quickly. While eating, we should swallow the food quickly. No, it is false. It is false. And fourth, the digested part of the food is absorbed into the blood. The digested part of the food is absorbed into the blood. As it is correct. It is absorbed by the wall of the small intestine and ultimately reach into the blood. So it is true. And fifth, the undigested part of the food is thrown out through the small intestine. No, it is incorrect. It is incorrect. It is false because it is thrown away by the anus. So thank you. Next time we will discuss some more questions. Thank you.